Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another video, JaneCar538. Today we are doing a vlog, but we are actually trying to start up a video of the Lightning STR, but we can't send it today. Yeah, we gotta clean the air filter because it's like 10 years old, so more than 10 years old, it's like 13. So I gotta put the batteries. That's a weird place to put batteries in, just the middle of here. We got the one and only Blackout XTE Pro with those beautiful tires, huge. And then we got the more beautiful Volcano EPX Pro and these two electric trucks. And RIP Caldera. We'll talk about that later. So let me put the batteries in. Yeah, I gotta put the camera down. So yeah. All right, we're back. We got the controller turned on. Let's see if it works. Okay. Yes, it still works. All right. All right, now let's get the Lightning. I can't send it right now because the air filter is very dirty, and I'll show you the air filter. And we actually got Pinky Jr., the dancing parrotfish. You kind of see him dancing right now. And look at the size of that thing. My goodness. Just look at the size of that thing. And all right, let's get the Lightning. The dancing parrotfish ain't the thing. Okay, this video, and look at that. And this is the first RC car we have ever got, and it's also the first gas RC car we ever got. All right, so okay, let's get this thing. We got another controller here, but that's broken. So, all right, we got it. All right, so we're actually gonna be taking off the body when we're running it because, well, I'm talking like having the body on the Lightning STR or any sport or any low profile car. And look how low this thing is. Jeez. And I'm saying that's not bad, but well, why we don't run it, because it actually scrapes and it ruins the whole body and stuff, and it slows the car down. So yeah, we gotta take the body off. Oh man, these back clips are so annoying because of this splitter. Do I really have to take the splitter off? Hold on. All right, I gotta get like a screwdriver or something. Okay, any screwdrivers? Here. All right, so we got a screwdriver. Let's see. Okay. That's my dad's phone going off. Okay, there we go. That's one off. Okay. Man, I feel like I'm ruining the body with my own hands. Okay. You know what? I'll just do it like this. I can't get it off. Okay, did I get it off? Yeah, I got it off. Alright. No, I didn't yet. Okay, there. Alright, let's take the body off and let's look at inside. Okay, let's see how the shock is. No, let's actually take the body off. Oh. And you can't tell me that this thing has been used a lot. Look at the underside of this thing. My goodness, that thing is scratched up. Made in China. But this is like 13 years ago when the coronavirus came out. Made in China. Alright, so let's see the shocks. Oh, that's a chassis slammer. Man, this thing does not have that much shock suspension travel in it. Well, there's the gas tank. There's the beautiful motor. And I got telling you, look how dirty that air filter is. Okay, so that's the idle screw right there. Idle screw. And the, whatever that screw is. And we got the pull start. What about I use it like this? I got the pull start right here. Ah, this. I ain't gonna pull it anymore because I don't want to break the string. Yeah, so that's pull start. Okay. All right, we're back with the controller. Always turn the controller on first. Okay, controller's on. No, let's just leave that open for now. And let's see. Okay, steering, throttle, brakes, and this has no reverse on it. So, yeah. So I'll see you guys when Daddy is cleaning up the air filter in. Alright, we're back at the Lightning. We ain't actually gonna clean the air filter because it's gonna take all day for it to dry. Gotta dry it in dish soap and gotta do all this stuff. So, okay, I got the radio right here. I'm singing my arm right here. Man, I got small hands. Well, not small enough to like. I don't want to do it from the bumper. I hope this bumper doesn't break. Okay, my dad's out there. Okay, do we have to get the gold plug too? Oh, you already have it. So, all right, we're outside. Oh man, I think I deserve an ice cream right now. Man, it's hot out here. All right, got the thing right here. Got a big boy 10-year-old O'Donnell Speed Fuel, a gallon tank. Not sponsored by O'Donnell. Okay, good boy. You're gonna take this nice and easy now. Alright, there's a little lightning. Kind of looks like a 1/12 scale from here. There's gas. Do not drink gas, kids, because it's poisonous and it might kill you. So, if you are like 8 years old and younger, do not try this at home, because this nitro gas can kill you. Okay, good boy. Man, did you look at the size of that thing? My goodness. It's always back there. You probably can't even see it, but I can see it.
There's a little screwdriver that was right here.
Okay, I gotta get it. Wait a second. Where'd it go?
You got that on?
No. I don't have the radio on yet.
Gas.
You gotta get some gas into it. Gotta pump it up. Alright. Radio's on. Okay, everything works. All the electronics work. Only 2 pulls. You gotta fatten it up or like lean it up.
It's a screwdriver. We don't need it.
I don't know. They're trying to give it out on us right now.
Warm up.
And this thing does have a top speed of 60 miles an hour. Alright, let Daddy hold the camera. This thing has a top speed of 60 miles an hour. I gotta tell you guys again, this thing has a top speed of 60 miles an hour. That's crazy. There's a truck coming out of it. I gotta let it warm up first, because it's a very hot day, so it might not take as long to let it warm up. When he gets in second gear, it gets out of control real quickly.
Let it cool down a little bit.
I gotta let it cool. Alright, there's a truck coming. I got it. Alright, we're good. Gotta make sure it's smoking every now and then. Yeah, it's smoking. We're
Oh yeah, it's smoking. As long as it's getting enough fuel, we're good. As long as it's
gotta
smoking.
get a little bit of oil in it. I'm getting like a little drip. Alright, wanna see something cool? Donut. Oh man, now I want a donut because I did donuts. I was almost full speed there. I was like 3/4 of a full
It's hot out here today, man. You gotta let it cool off a little bit. These motors run hot, man.
Yeah,
hot day, man.
It's like a desert in here. I'm literally sweating buckets out
So
here.
run it a little bit longer and then we'll be done.
Is there a truck coming? No, I didn't hear a truck. I'm just letting it cool off. Just letting it idle. I'm surprised it don't need to be like leaned out or fattened up.
Well, it probably needs a little leaned out, but it's all right. It's running good.
Don't lean it out too much because it might blow up the motor.
It's running good right now. I got it set pretty good.
Do full send. It gets out of control. Alright, there's a truck coming. Hold on. This thing can go in small grass, but not for long. And you can't. If you have one of these at home, this is from Redcat Racing. Like May 15th, we might actually get the electric version of this, the Lightning EPX Pro. Alright, there's no truck coming over
Get off
there.
the brake. Not on it. All right. Go.
Yeah, right there.
Go.
And guys in the comments, rate this out of 1 out of 10. Alright, let's actually get some distance in it.
No, turn it around before it cuts off. It's getting fat on us.
Full sending it.
Yeah, it got out of control. Second gear is tight, boy.
It has a 2 transmission, 2 gears. Kind of sounds like a real supercar, which is really cool.
Slow down, man.
I'm getting a little used to it.
Yeah, that's when you're gonna wreck it.
I wonder how much these are these days. Probably about like 200 something.
Check the gas. Let off the brake.
Oh, we're good.
Let off the brake. All right, go ahead. It's running rich. Where's the screwdriver? You didn't bring it? It's running rich. Slow down, man.
Man, this thing is quick.
It's running really rich.
There's a wasp right there. Okay. Good boy, wasp.
It's running a little rich right now.
So kids, if you don't mess with wasps, they won't mess with you. And if you get like stung by wasps, just stay still.
She's running rich right now.
Like the Statue of Liberty. Just stay still.
It's running really rich right now. So it's hot. You about done?
Nah. I'm just letting it cool out. Cool off.
It's just running rich right now.
Yeah, it's smoking. Oh, I gotta get out.
Yeah, but it's hot, man. It's running rich.
Yeah, because it's a hot day out here.
I need to lean it just a tad. There's not enough oxygen in there. I need to lean it just a little bit.
There's something in the road right there. Oh. Wow, that was cool. I get a little like skate action.
It's really rich,
Yeah.
which will keep it from blowing up.
Yeah. If you
Watch
want
out, car. Come right here. Right there, it's good. You get off the brake. It's rich. Jaden, good Lord, man.
It goes all out of control. You can't let it on the brake too long because it'll cut out. Fall out.
Go and finish your video.
Huh?
Go and finish your video, man. It's getting hot.
Alright. How about you play with it? Alright. Man, that thing is a fast car. What? It's a car coming. Alright. Alright, so let's go back inside. And we are missing one person. We are missing one person. Or two people. Or a whole group of people. We are missing the one and only Stinky! Oh, where'd he go? Where'd Stinky go? Oh, Stinky! Okay, there's Stupid right there. There's Skinny right there because he's really skinny. I don't know where Smelly is. He's been swimming around. Oh, there's Smelly. You guys are probably like, where's Smelly at? There's him right there. Oh, there's Slimy. Stupid is trying to chase Slimy. Good thing Stinky ain't trying to fart on anybody today. So if you guys enjoyed this video of the Lightning STR, yeah, it's so beautiful. Alright, and yeah, go like, subscribe down below to Jane538. And